Welcome to Learn with Karenayou. Today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to add this waveform on my picture because someone asked. I enjoy enlightening people. Firstly, this particular video is for those that are into podcasts. If you're not, it could help you in the future. In order to achieve this, you should have a published content on any of the podcast streaming platforms. Mine is on Spotify for podcasters, so I will go to my podcast, which is more like my profile page, click on the three icon, and I will click on the podcast availability. You will see RSS distribution link on it, and then go to RSS feed. Click copy to get your link. Mine is showing me share link. In order for me to get the link, so I would pretend like I'm sharing to Twitter, then I'll copy the link from there. So now that I have gotten the link, I will leave the platform and go to the app called Headliner. If you don't have it, please download it. Once you get the Headliner app, create account either using Google account or you create using email directly. When you're done and you have signed in, click on the plus icon and then click on audiogram. I usually prefer using audiogram so I can easily select the part I want people to listen. You can choose automation if you want the app to choose for you, but I would advise you to go for the audiogram. When you get to the audiogram platform, you put in podcast name or you can upload. But to save data and make your work easy and faster, kindly go to search podcast. Mind you, my podcast is already here because I always use the app. So click on search podcast. And this is where you put the RSS feed link you copied, or you can put your podcast name. So let's put the RSS feed link. Once that is done, all your published podcasts will show. So you pick the one you want to use. And now it's time for you to select the part you want. I will take 15 seconds from my audio because I want it short and catchy for my audience. When I'm done selecting, would click on next and choose my aspect ratio, which is more like frame selection. So I can choose landscape, square or portrait. Going for portrait because I want to post on my Instagram reel. So I would click on next, which takes me to where I can create my video. Now you can see the waveform. You click on it. Choose the type of waveform you want. You can move it or change the color, anyone that suits you. You can also change your image or put your desired image. Either you replace or try to crop the image to how you want it to show on your platform. You can also add a text, but me I don't because my podcast name is already on my image. After all changes have been done, click on create video. It takes you to name your video. You can title it anything you want. When you create your video, you wait for it to render. Once the video has fully rendered, click on go to your video. You will see the video you created. Click on share video. Your video is preparing. When it's done, you can pick the platform you want to share. So I'm going for Reels. As earlier stated, to get this video so I can share to my WhatsApp status and stories, I'll click on this icon to save it. Video saved. When that is done, I can now share on my platform. So that is how to create a waveform on your picture. There are other ways, but I find this much easier. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Also click the link on Karenayou Instagram page or the description box on YouTube to join the Learn with Karenayou group class. Thanks and see you in my next video.